Hey guys, JohnAvanti here. So we're gonna open the wall up, and we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna originally knock down all of this from here, around here, take the ceiling out, but I decided against it because I want more counter space. Originally, everybody was talking me into knocking down this whole wall all the way up to here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an opening like this, right here. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have an opening like this on this side. It's going to be bigger than this side. So the fridge is going to go here, and then this is going to be all counter space. And that should give the room a nice feel. So it's basically going to be, rather than ripping out the whole corner, there's going to be an opening there, like over here, but a little bigger. So when you're sitting here, you know, you could look in the kitchen and go in the kitchen. It'll give it a little more flow to the house rather than just knocking that whole wall down. I think it'll be okay. All right, guys, so big change of plan. We just knocked the wall out as originally planned it out. So I was thinking about just trying to save the whole walls, trying to save work, electrical work, and all of that. But opening up just like up to here just made no sense. And opening it up completely really opened up the room nicely. Looks pretty nice. You're going to be able to see the kitchen. We're going to put insulation up there, and hi-hats and new sheetrock, so that should be nice. So that's how it looks. So basically, you know, when you come through the screen door, you know, it's going to be all wide open. You know, even when you're coming in through the house from that side, the front door, you're going to walk in, you're going to see an open concept space, which is a lot nicer than it was closed. I think back in the day, for some reason, architects, they wanted to close everything up, like make as many rooms as possible. I think that added value to the house. And then also the contractors got more money for the project because you figure, you know, they built the wall and they put more cabinets, because at one time, you know, there were cabinets, you know, like all around here and all around here, and the fridge was basically right where that ladder is. So now the fridge is going to go here, 36, and then a base and wall cabinet here. It's going to be a stove. There's no other place to put the stove because of the window. Like, you can't put the stove in that corner. It's just better right here. I'm just going to leave the stove here. The gas is there. And then here's going to be the sink, the kitchen sink, the dishwasher, and another cabinet. So the countertop's just going to come to there. Stove, a countertop, and fridge, and that's it. So possibly in here we may be able to put an island. I don't know if that's even worth it, to put an island right here in the middle. I'm going to have the cabinet for it, so I'm going to see how that goes. You know, you could just put the cabinet and put the countertop right on top of it, so it should be okay. So now you're going to have, you know, it's going to be open. You know, you're going to sit down on the couch, and you could just, you know, see the whole house, see everything. Somebody's in the kitchen. You're going to be able to enjoy the kitchen. You'll have nice hi-hats. It'll be well lit. You know, there's going to be all hi-hats in here, all up there. I'm not sure if I want to put hi-hats along the edge of the wall. So basically, the way the curvature is, like if you see that curvature, is just the outline of the roof. As you can see up there, you see the roof, it just comes down. And what they're going to do is they're going to put braces. See up there, they put a brace that goes to the top of the rafter, and it's there. It's not going to hold any weight. You know, it's probably more for movement. Maybe they're going to put a couple more here, and you know, probably here they'll put some here. This is a strong area and that'll just, hold it up because we took that corner out. And, that corner, there was a wall here, and it was holding up that knee wall, which I kind of like the knee wall. It's going to split the kitchen up a little bit, because originally we were going to take the knee wall out and make it go through, like the whole thing. But, yeah, we scratched that. I'm going to, put something, maybe a painting there or something, so it should be all right. But that's how it looked. That's how it looked. Originally, when I got the place, I didn't want to do a lot of work. I just wanted to fix it up and just fucking get it done with. I was going to paint the cabinets and all of that, but then the cabinets were shit. They were so old. They were garbage, and then I took the cabinets out. And then one project led to the other. And, I probably could have did this myself. But for the money they're charging is not really that much. And they're going to put the cabinets. But I think I'm going to have to spackle everything and then paint. I'm going to spackle it all up. And then just give everything a whitewash. Nice white. So everything's nice and clean. Before they put the cabinets up. And the backsplash is going to be a full backsplash. So instead of leaving these dirty walls, I'm just going to, if I'm going to paint the ceilings, I'll just paint the whole room. Before, I guess we even do the tiles. So he's going to do the ceiling today. And he's going to run the wires for the hi-hats. And I got to figure out how we're going to do that. So the other thing we did is we had this closet built. Because this room in itself didn't have a closet. So it's not considered a bedroom if it doesn't have a closet. Now, it's not the biggest room in the house. It's not the smallest, but it's a closet now. So you just put doors and, I'm going to leave these shelves, and then in the future I'll put the bar going across, and then it'll be an official closet. But you could put a bar down there, and that's good enough too. You just can't put long coats in there, but you could put shirts and pants on the rack. So you could basically just put from here to there, and you can hang all your stuff here and still have a shelving space. And now, this could still be used as an office. It's a pretty decent sized room. So we got this flooring for the kitchen. It's waterproof. It's got the backing on it. Seems pretty good. And here's where we're at. Looks much better than before.